How to get a high score in Block Blast, the best strategy. So tip number one, okay, you need to plan ahead. Always plan ahead, look moves ahead, see what could be happening later on, what other blocks you could be getting. For example, look at this. Boom, you see that, guys? We literally planned for that. Okay, that was not luck, we planned for that. Look at this. So you want to go ahead and plan things ahead. Okay, you want to anticipate what you're going to be getting next. So what we just did here, you see all this empty space, we cleared the large areas first. You look at that big empty space in the middle, right? Clear the large areas first by going for those big matches early on, guys. You open up the board, and trust me, this helps in more ways than one. The more open space you have, the more likely you are to claim, trigger chain reactions. And who doesn't love a good chain reaction, right? So just look at the different combos I will be doing really soon. Let me get some more moves going on. We could do here. Could do one here. It's not a best. All right. Oh, we're not working with a lot of good moves right now. We're pretty much screwed a little bit, so we need to create some space. Do that here. Hopefully we get something to fill that in. We are clearing some spaces, so that is good. I'd like to keep this empty for the 3x3 square, so we'll get rid of that. We will try to fill that in. That might not be the best move there, so I will try to fill that in. Get rid of that. Good. You see, so I am going ahead and look at those combo moves we made that really increases your high score really fast. See how the blocks fall into place? It's like a chain of explosion. This is what you want to do. You want to set up yourself for those big plays. Okay, and you want to work from the bottom up. It's like magic, basically. You want to try and use the corners to your advantage. Okay, let's place one here. We could... that would really block us soon. We'll have to do one here. One here. Just in case we get like that one, we'll put it right there. Alright, we are not doing the best right now, so I'll put this here, get rid of that. Get rid of those. You see that, guys? I am anticipating moves. I'm anticipating combos, right? That is what you want to be doing, guys. Really easy and simple. Just put that here, anticipate something here. And then see, guys, now we have different moves to play. Look for somewhere to place this. A good move. That is a good move right there. Could place this here. That is dangerous, though. If I get a x3, I would really be screwed at this point. Ooh, I am in trouble, guys. I'm literally in trouble. If I do not break anything right now, we could be in big trouble. And that is one big problem. But there we go. We managed to break something off right there. And I really should be anticipating these right here. Okay, we got out of that tricky situation, guys. But unfortunately, no longer. So I'm going to go have to get the add. Alright, so the next tip is to plan ahead for huge combos. So look at that. That's a combo right there. If we can get another one right here, that would be perfect. So place this right here. That is a combo move. Combo move. Could do another combo really soon. Place this here. This there. Get rid of that. Alright, so as you can see, guys, you want to set up and do combo moves. The more combos you do, you get higher point multipliers, right? And now we get rid of all of that. Create a big space in the middle. Boom, try to clear the middle. Really, really powerful technique. Really powerful move. Work from the corners if possible. It is a really powerful, powerful technique. Try to work from the corners. Alright, see, we would have gotten into trouble if we did not clear the space. That would have been a big trouble for us. Okay, good. Perfect. Combo moves. See how quickly our points are racking up, guys. very, very fast.
Great.
We're getting close. Look at this, guys. You see that? That is perfection. That is literally perfection right there. And there you have it, guys. You see? That's the power of thinking ahead. And when you plan, you are setting yourself up for massive points. So you always want to look ahead and think about where those blocks will land. Also, you want to maximize your moves. Okay? Less is more. You don't want to run out of moves. You don't want the board to be full. You want to use fewer moves to get more done. So the key is to make each move count. So look at this situation. Just one move and I've cleared most of the board. Instead of, randomly matching blocks, you want to try to make moves that clear multiple sections at once, right? Look at this. This is a good move. It is the smart move to play. We should do one somewhere here. Let's work around the top. Let's work around the corners if possible. Alright, I'm glad I had some space right here to work with these. Hopefully I get a tour there. And place one. Okay, let's place the big blocks first. Get rid of those. Get rid of that. And now I'm almost in trouble, guys. As you can see, I'm almost in trouble right here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this here, create some space to work with. And there you go, guys. As you can see, we are doing well.
Good.
So, another tip I would give you is stay calm, stay cool, because patience pays off. Look at that.
Good.
See? Combo move. So, Block Blast is a game of strategy and patience. So, if you get frustrated and you start rushing, you'll miss out on those crucial combos and power ups. So, just stay calm, look for the best moves. And as I said, try to use the corners. Use the corners, as you can see. Really powerful. Let's use this. Let's place this one first. We're really in trouble right here. We do not have anywhere to place this. So unless we get rid of something here, there's nothing we can do, basically. And there we go, guys. Combo move. I got out of that, you see? Stay calm, stay cool. Patience pays off. I just saved myself right there. Okay, and also you want to keep practicing, right? Because the best is yet to come. So finally, if you want to get better, rack up those high scores, the best thing you can do is practice. The more you play, the more you'll start to see patterns, recognize opportunities for combos, and ways to make the most of those power-ups. And there you have it, guys. Those are the ultimate strategies to go ahead and help you get a high score in a Block Blast, from clearing large areas to combining power-ups and staying patient. These tips should definitely help you climb that leaderboard, as you can see right here. Get rid of those. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. And I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. I'll see you guys in the next one.